So we're gonna install these carbon fiber doors. The first step you wanna do is you wanna remove your fenders. The reason why you wanna remove the fenders is so you can get to these hinges right here. You got 4 bolts. Once you have the door off, what you wanna do next is you gotta take off this handle, which is 2 bolts right there, the top and the bottom. Then you wanna take this off, which is these 3 bolts. And then you wanna go to the hinges and take the hinges off the door, which is these right here. You wanna take those off. We're gonna pass all that to the carbon fiber door. So what I did right now was I took this off, these 2 bolts right here. Took that off, unbolted these 3 right here. And now we're gonna take these off right here. Now, in order for this to pop out, you got to take out the clips that are in here. All right, so you guys want to get the clip that's in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a clip in there. Just pull that out. This whole thing comes off. Now this comes off, and now you guys can push this through the door. All right, now that we got the latch assembly out, now we can transfer the hinges, these bolts, and this to the carbon fiber door. Here it is, carbon fiber door from DM Carbon. You know, like I told you guys yesterday when I was installing the passenger door, the one thing I do like about these doors is that lip. The lip to where you can put the Lexan on there. Makes it an easy install. So see what it looks like on the car. Let's install it. All right, so once you guys have the carbon fiber door here in front of you, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to drill some holes, as you can see right here, in order for you to put the bolts on the hinges. See that there and there. Also, you have to drill a little bit wherever you're gonna put your latch, your handle. And right here as well, you're gonna have to drill the 3 in order to put your latch. And do a couple drills right here, a couple holes, in order for you to put your bolts. All right, so here you go. I bolted this up right here. Then I bolted this up. You can see in the back. Pretty easy installation. Bolted this up. 2 screws. And I got the hinges on the door. You can see. So all you gotta do is bolt these to the car, like how these are, and you're pretty much done. Quick, easy, about 20-minute install. So You can follow Daniel Moreno on Facebook. We got some of these products here on our website at provokeimports.com. Or you can hit the DM at Provoke Imports on Instagram, Facebook, and we can get you these doors, the front ends, carbon fiber hoods, the roof. They got the EK dash, they got the EG dash, they got the all-wheel drive setup for EK, EG. They got the rear bumpers, carbon fiber. You get the carbon fiber trunks. So for EK and EG, like I said, the roofs as well. They got wings. I mean, anything you need, carbon fiber, they pretty much have it. So hit us up.